Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you do any kind of recording, you know the importance of a good microphone. So this little lapel microphone by Yungrain has really upped my audio game. A couple things I totally love about this is how tiny it is. It is smaller than a penny. As you can see, you can barely see it, and it holds on by a super strong magnet. So I don't have to worry about it falling off, even if I'm moving around or doing jumping jacks or anything like that. It's going to stay in place. Another super nice thing about having a good lapel microphone is that no matter where I go from my device, my audio is the same. So I can go super far away. So no matter what kind of recording you're doing, you'll be able to use this microphone and still hear yourself. There are two microphones, so you can have two mics going at the same time if you and another person are going to be talking. The receiver is super easy. You just plug it into your device. It comes with an Apple, a USB, and a USB-C on the receivers. So no matter what kind of device you're using, it will work. I have been blown away with this thing. It really blocks out so much of the outside noise and just picks up my voice. So I'll show you what it sounds like without this microphone if I was just to use my phone. So this audio is without anything. It is just my phone microphone. I'm sure you hear a little bit of background noise. So if you are ready to up your audio game, I highly recommend getting one of these, but that's just my point of view.